occasion, you might have a need to climb onto a metal roof that's steep, like 8-12 pitches where I'm fixing to get onto. So what I did to improve my odds, on the other odds that I have to add to, like ropes or things like that, was some shoes by Cougar Paws. If you saw the other video, there's a Cougar Paw that has foam on the bottom of the shoes. These have magnets. And if you see how they've got that broken apart, you'll see the magnets are in there. And so these cost about $170 also. A little more like a tennis shoe on the top, and the others are more like boots. So I will try it and I'll let you know what I think. Automatically, I can tell you right now, it gathers up little pieces of metal. And if you get up on a roof, those little pieces of metal could scratch. That's not really that important, although that's important. They roll up underneath you, and all of a sudden you don't have good grip. So you're not going to want to wear them everywhere. And you want to keep them clean. So I think they actually provide a magnet with it to help you pull it. But I think you're just going to end up doing what I'm doing, pulling that stuff off. There's little pieces of metal that are collected on the bottom of it. So I'll let you know. You started? Well, I'm going to give a good review on these shoes. It's hard to trust them as much as I do. The more you use them, the more you tend to trust them. But you still want to be careful, very, very careful. You don't want loose shoes, because I can tell you this, it will stretch them out, just if you got the right size.
What's hot when you get right out of it?
I recommend them. So, like Justin Wilson says, be humble and don't stumble.
Be humble and don't...
That's good.